When all of us realized that the ANC was literally dead, being killed, murdered, oh sorry, strong word. We then took a decision to establish the party of the people of this country, as we understand it, Umkhonto Wesizwe. Politicians who are able to put things and see what is right, what is wrong, they have been coming to the ANC. Sorry. But tells you I grew up there, guys. In any way, I'm a member of the ANC. If you forget, I am. The current president, when he came in, the ANC began to move in a different direction. And that's a fact. That, I think, for the first time, made other politicians in the ANC to feel it was no longer doing what it was established to do. And that's when people left the ANC. It's a political important point to know, because we are not asking the critical questions. I would have asked, what made you to leave the ANC, if I were to ask my good sister? What made you to leave the ANC? I'm sure you all know how much she was attacked, everything done. You don't ask such questions deliberately. She had to leave the ANC and joined the party she joined, because she couldn't stay in the ANC. The ANC was impossible to stay in.